Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last comparison we actually did with two famous Australian bowlers, which is Pat Cummins and Mitchell Starc. So in this video we are going to compare with two nice batsmen, which are Joe Root and Babar Azam. So actually Joe Root was born in England, whereas Babar Azam was born in Pakistan. Joe Root and Babar Azam are batsmen. So their batting style is right-handed batsman, and their bowling style is also right arm off break. So let's check with the T20I debut, T20I comparison. So in batting, if you check, Joe Root played 32 matches and Babar Azam played 47 matches. Joe Root batted for 30 innings and Babar Azam batted for 45 innings. In that, Joe Root was 5 times not out and Babar Azam was 9 times not out. Joe Root scored 893 runs and Babar Azam scored 1730 runs. Joe Root faced 707 balls and Babar Azam faced 1328 balls. Joe Root thought Babar Azam scored 800. Joe Root scored 550. Babar Azam scored 1650. Joe Root scored 92 fours and Babar Azam scored 179 fours. Joe Root scored 16 sixes and Babar Azam hit 24 sixes. Joe Root's average is 35.72, Babar Azam's average is 48.05. Joe Root's strike rate is 126.30 and Babar Azam's strike rate is 130.27. Joe Root took 18 catches and Babar Azam took 19 catches. So if you check up the bowling thing, Joe Root and Babar Azam, Joe Root played 32 matches, Babar Azam played 47 matches. Joe Root bowled 9 matches, Babar Azam bowled 0 matches. So Joe Root bowled 84 balls and he bowled 14 overs and gave 139 runs and took 6 wickets. His economy rate is 9.92, very high. Its average is 23.16 and wicket taking strike rate is 14.00. So as you can see here, and now we have resettlement. So let's go to ODI cricket. So in ODI cricket, if you check, you have Joe Root played 149 matches and Babar Azam played 177 matches. Joe Root batted for 140 matches and Babar Azam batted for 75 matches. Joe Root was 21 times not out and Babar Azam was 11 times not out. Joe Root scored 5,962 runs and Babar Azam scored 3,580 runs. Joe Root faced 6,860 balls and Babar Azam faced 4,074 balls. Joe Root took 1,600 and Babar Azam took 1,200. Joe Root took 33 50s and Babar Azam took 16 50s. Joe Root took 482 fours. He did 482 fours and Babar Azam hit 312 fours. Joe Root hit 44 sixes and Babar Azam hit 34 sixes. Joe Root's average is 50.10 and Babar Azam's average is 55.393. Joe Root's strike rate is 86.90 and Babar Azam's strike rate is 87.87. Joe Root took 74 catches and Babar Azam took 8. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Babar Azam took 36 catches. So let's talk about the bowling comparison. Joe Root bowled 149 matches and Joe Root faced 149 matches and Babar Azam played for 77 matches. Joe Root bowled for 68 matches, Babar Azam bowled for 0 matches. So the Babar Azam didn't bowl in ODI as well, so I'll only read for Joe Root. Joe Root bowled 1552 balls and bowled 258.4 overs and gave 1491 runs and took 26 wickets. It's like his Joe Root's economy rate is 5.76. His average is 57.34 and his strike rate is 59.60. So let's compare them to test and complete. Because first class the list doesn't matter here. It won't be that much cool. So both Joe Root and Babar Azam faced Joe Root batted for 102 matches and Babar Azam batted for 21 matches. Joe Root batted for 187 innings and Babar Azam batted for 57 innings. Joe Root was 14 times not out and Babar Azam was 8 times not out. Joe Root took 8582 runs and Babar Azam took 2167 runs. Joe Root faced 50,600 balls and Babar Azam faced 3835 balls. Joe Root took 20 hundreds and Babar Azam took 500. Joe Root took 49 50s and Babar Azam took 16 50s. Joe Root hit 946 fours and Babar Azam hit 258 fours. Joe Root hit 25 sixes, Babar Azam hit 10 sixes. Joe Root's average is 49.60 and Babar Azam average is 44.22. Joe Root's strike rate is 55.01. Babar Azam's strike rate is 56.50. So Joe Root took 133 catches and Babar Azam took 21 catches. So guys, now I'll be saying my opinion. Guys, the reason why I did the comparison is because it's not a bowling comparison. Oh, sorry guys, I have to complete this thing. Let's first complete this. It's not actually a bowling comparison, the reason why I kept it. I only kept it for batting comparison as these two bat very well. Let's complete the bowling thing as well. So, Joe Root faced 102 matches and Babar Azam faced 31 matches. From the Joe Root was bowled for 92 matches, 92 innings and bowled 297 ball. He bowled 495.1 overs and gave 1518 runs and he took 37 wickets. His economy rate is 3.12, pretty impressive, but for testing it a little bit high. Average is 41.83. His wicket strike is 80.20. So guys, this was our comparison, guys. The reason why I kept it for the batting comparison, never a bowling comparison, guys. I'm truthfully saying it, and guys, actually, sorry guys, very sorry. So guys, actually, I think in T20 matches, Babar Azam is very better, guys, than Joe Root. And like 50 overs, lot of overs, and until getting not out. During that time, Joe Root is very better, and Babar Azam's hitting at stake for a long time strike is also better than Joe Root. So in limited overs, I think Babar Azam is better, and test matches, Joe Root is better. So guys, this was my comparison, guys. If you want to say what plays are better, please do it in the comments. Thank you guys. Bye.